If you're new here, welcome. It's been a while since we properly introduced ourselves, so here goes. We are Vienna and Lauren, two artists based in Australia who met on Instagram bonding over our love for textured art. That was back in 2022. We still live in completely different states. The first time we ever met in person, we were filming our original beginners textured art workshop together. Yes, we'd basically just met and decided to build a business. Some people might call that crazy. But here's what we do know. You have to take risks to be rewarded, and we're so glad that we took that one together. Fast forward to 2026, and we still get to share our forbidden frosting with customers all over the world. We've also built a growing community of creators through our two workshops, our beginners texture workshop and our paint and sip follow along session. So however you found us, we're really glad you're here and following along with our journey.